Welcome all. In this video we are going to see the experiment number 5, that is the voltage regulation of an alternator by EMF and MMF method. So in this experiment we have to determine the voltage regulation of an alternator in two method. So the voltage regulation of a three-phase alternator may be predetermined by conducting the open circuit and short circuit test. The methods employed for determination of a regulation are EMF or asynchronous impedance method, MMF or ampere turns method, and the ZPF or parity or triangle method. So in this experiment, EMF and MMF methods are used. The open circuit and short circuit graph are plotted from the two tests. The synchronous impedance is forced from the OC test. The regulation in this determined a different power factor by calculations using a phasor diagram. The EMF method is also called as a persistemic method, as the value of regulation obtained is n much more than the actual value. The MMF method is called as the optimistic method, as the value of regulation obtained is much lesser than the actual value. In this MMF method, the armature leakage reactance is treated as an additional armature reaction. In both methods, the OC and SC test are utilized. So you can see here we are using a two method. One is EMF method and one is MMF method. So when you see the code in the left side, you are seeing the code. We have a VA, the voltage, that is 1200. That is next the line voltage, that is 6600. Next we have a resistance, that is 0.25. next to excess, that is 5. So this is the line current formula, that is VA divided by square root of 3 into line voltage. So these are the formula we are going to execute. So if we run this program, we will get what we get the regulation at point A lagging power factor, and you can see we have a regulation in point A leading and point A lagging. If we run this, we get at which percentage the regulation is lag and regulation will lead. So we run this program. So if we run, you can see we will get the regulation at point A lagging, the power factor is 9.33%, whereas the regulation at point A leading power factor is minus 7.01%. So here you can see in this experiment what we will do, we will determine the voltage regulation of an alternator